3 perfect layers: buttery shortbread, silky caramel, and a smooth chocolate topping. Today we're making the ultimate Millionaires Shortbread, and trust me, it's worth every bite. You will need 225 grams of soft butter. Make sure it's room temperature. And also 125 grams of caster sugar. Add these to the mixer and mix until light and fluffy. Now add 340 grams of plain flour. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now it's looking like breadcrumbs and it's starting to clump together. Now we are just going to give it a little bit more of a mix, but we don't want to over mix it. So once done, put it onto a clean surface and then give it a quick knead. This is where we are trying to get it into a ball. You don't want to over knead it, so just start shaping it into a nice ball. There we go. Done. So I've got a 7x7 line tray. Now you just want to start ripping off clumps of dough and fill in all the gaps. And once done, use your fingers to smooth out the dough. Make sure you get right in the corners. Now this is starting to look good, but you can also use a little bit of greaseproof paper to smooth it out even more. So this is what you're looking for. Golden, but not too golden. Just right. Add 120 grams of butter to a pan. 25 grams of caster sugar. And 75 grams of golden syrup. And 1 can of condensed milk. And now you need to whisk. This takes around about 20 to 25 to 30 minutes to complete. Once it starts turning into a nice caramel colour, the smell is fantastic. This is nearly done. All you need to do then is put it onto your shortbread layer. So I've got it onto the shortbread. All I need to do now is start smoothing out. You need to do this very quick because the caramel is starting to cool down. Also, don't be tempted to lick the spoon or stick your fingers into the caramel. It is very hot and you will get burnt, guys. So once you're happy with your caramel layer, you need to let it cool. You need to let it cool completely before you add the chocolate layer. Add 200 grams of chocolate into a bowl and place over a pan of boiling water. Now you must make sure the bowl doesn't touch the water. So once the chocolate is melted, you will need to take the bowl out of the pan and dry the bottom of the bowl. You do not want any water to get inside your chocolate because water will destroy your chocolate. Now pour the chocolate into a clean bowl. Now we're going to add 100 grams of chopped chocolate. Now what we're doing, we are tempering the chocolate to give it a shine. Now just keep stirring, the chocolate will melt. And once it has melted, you will need to add it on top of the caramel layer. Now start spreading the chocolate out. You want to try to get it as evenly as possible, getting into the sides. So once you're happy, get another scraper and just decorate the top of the chocolate. I normally do like little waves. And that's it, it's done. So all you need to do now is put it somewhere cold so the chocolate sets. So all you need to do now is cut it. Now I'm cutting this into 9 pieces. And here you go, guys, the big reveal. Nice Millionaires Shortbread. So if you enjoyed the video and followed along, please give it a like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching, guys.